Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best generator grounding kit is probably one of the most overlooked safety essentials for generator owners, but ensuring your generator is properly grounded is crucial for protecting yourself, your equipment, and your property from electrical hazards. This video will guide you through everything you need to know about selecting and using a grounding kit, ensuring safe and reliable power generation. Number 5. 4-foot ground rod with wire. Introducing a reliable grounding solution for various applications. It ensures efficient grounding for optimal performance and safety. This package includes everything you need: a 4-foot ground rod and 15 feet of 12 AWG tinned copper wire. It's ready to use right out of the box. It's perfect for grounding satellite dishes, antennas, generators, and even electric fences. Its versatility makes it ideal for many uses. The ground rod is made of sturdy copper-clad steel, while the wire is tinned copper for superior conductivity and corrosion resistance. Built to last. This product meets UL standards and is rigorously tested to ensure reliable grounding and user safety. You can trust in its performance. With its attached binding clamp, installation is quick and easy. Get your equipment grounded securely in minutes. What we like. It boasts a long ground rod and wire, ensuring effective grounding. If you need reliable grounding for various applications, this is a great choice. Its UL listing provides extra assurance of safety and quality. What people say. This rod can be moved and provides a great grounding solution for your generator because that's what I'm using it for. I have a Predator 6500 watt generator that requires a grounding solution. I bought this rod, very easy to install as the end of it is pointed. Good value, very easy to install with just a hammer. Great quality. Using it for ground wire for generator to our RV. It's well made and easy to drive into the ground. Well worth the money. Number 4. MOKIKUBA Ground Rod. This versatile ground rod is perfect for a variety of uses. Its durable design ensures long-lasting performance. It's made from solid steel with a zinc finish for superior corrosion resistance. You can depend on it to stay strong and reliable. The oval eye design makes it easy to drive into the ground and remove. Installation is quick and simple. It comes with a pre-installed tinned copper ground wire lug, accommodating wires up to 4 AWG. This saves you time and effort. It's ideal for electric fences, antennas, satellite dishes, and more. It's a truly multi-purpose grounding solution. Use it as a ground post pin or even a tie-out stake. Its strength and versatility make it perfect for many outdoor applications. What we like. Its unique design makes it easy to install and remove. If you prioritize portability and ease of use for temporary grounding needs, this is perfect for you. The corrosion-resistant finish ensures long-lasting performance. What people say. I used this when replacing a 60-year-old, ungrounded outlet in my backyard shed. It was easy to install and I feel much better knowing the outlet is properly grounded. I was getting a very mild shock when I touched my camping trailer fenders when it was raining and I was plugged into 120-volt current. I knew there wasn't a short anywhere, and I suspected my trailer wasn't grounding out properly. I used this grounding rod and connected it to my trailer frame with 8-gauge wire, and the current I was feeling when it rained completely disappeared. Good rod for grounding my pool equipment. Number 3. Ground rod with 4-foot wire. This portable ground rod is perfect for a variety of uses. It's easy to install and provides a reliable grounding solution. It features a durable, 18-inch long rod and a 4-foot, 12 AWG UL listed tinned copper wire. This ensures minimal energy loss and a long lifespan. The oval design makes it simple to drive into the ground, remove, and even use for anchoring. Setup is quick and straightforward. Use it for electric fences, antennas, generators, or any application requiring a reliable ground connection. It's incredibly versatile. The kit includes everything you need: the ground rod, 4 feet of wire with crocodile clips and cable lugs. It's ready to use right out of the box. Get reliable grounding with this high-quality, easy-to-use ground rod. It's a must-have for various applications. What we like. The included crocodile clip simplifies connection. If you value convenience and quick setup, this is ideal. Its user-friendly design makes grounding a breeze. What people say. Manufactured to high quality. Easy to install. Great peace of mind. Nice all-in ground for generator. Not too long. Easy clamp to generator. Number 2. Copper Ground Rod Kit. This portable kit provides optimal grounding for various applications. It includes a durable copper rod, wire, and clamp for easy connection. It's made entirely of solid copper for superior conductivity compared to steel alternatives. This ensures better grounding performance for your equipment. The copper construction resists corrosion, allowing for reliable grounding in any condition. Install it anywhere without worrying about soil acidity. Use it for grounding satellite dishes, antennas, generators, computer rooms, and electric fences. It's versatile and reliable. The kit is designed for easy setup and connection. Simply insert it into the ground and attach it to your equipment using the included wire and clamp. We stand behind our product. If you have any issues within 30 days, you can return it for a full refund. What we like. It offers superior conductivity and weather resistance. If you need a highly conductive and durable grounding solution, this is the one. Its all-weather design ensures reliable performance in any condition. What people say. The Copper Ground Rod is an exceptional product, earning top marks for its impressive portability. Whether I needed it for camping or outdoor projects, its compact size made it incredibly convenient to carry around. With its solid build and reliable performance, this ground rod is a must-have for anyone seeking a portable grounding solution. This portable copper ground rod is a must-have for generator owners like me. It's easy to set up and ensures a safe electrical connection, providing peace of mind during power outages. It's for my mobile aux-com operating to ground the generator. Help suppress RF noise from the generator. Number 1. Grounding Rod Kit. Don't miss out. This essential grounding kit is in high demand and may sell out soon. Order yours today. Quickly and easily ground your generator with this portable kit. It's perfect for camping or any outdoor situation. At just 2 feet long, it's easy to transport and use. Take it with you wherever you go. Made from durable copper alloy for optimal grounding. Its sturdy design allows for easy hammering into the ground. Ideal for generators, electric fences, satellite dishes, and more. It simplifies grounding for various applications. No soldering or cable stripping needed. Simply plug and clip for a hassle-free connection. What we like. Its simple plug-and-play design makes grounding incredibly fast and easy. If you need a quick and hassle-free grounding solution, especially in temporary situations, this is perfect. No tools or special skills are required. What people say. The grounding rod arrived in perfect condition. It is sturdy and is ideal for grounding my 8,000-watt generator. Very easy to set up with a convenient clip that clamps onto the generator. Quick setup. Das Element last sich leicht zusammenbauen und anschließen. Es ist ein Schutz für Überspannung und leitet den Fremdstrom in die Erde ab. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.